So basically I went to the Caravan park and I went to the reception. I asked if there is a vacant space for me, and the lady said, yeah, there is none, but she's going to check. Then she checked it on the computer and there is one vacant. Wait, I'll just transfer this laundry. Okay, 45 minutes. Yeah, 45 minutes for the dryer. I'm going to set my timer. It's actually $6 per wash and $6 dry. So yeah, when I went to the reception, the lady said it's $175 for powered site. Yeah, that was very expensive actually. Yeah, because I've been there like so many times, maybe 2-3 times that I stayed in that Caravan park. Yeah, because the network here is not good. No reception. We're going to leave this place. Actually, I'm going to Nelson Bay area, but let me show you first how it is in the beach. Yeah, I like the color of this Volkswagen Golf. Yeah, nice. I also like the Outback. I also don't like the Forester. And there are some camper van here and 4-wheel drive. Look at that, there is antenna. Very windy, and there are some black swan over there. Look at this tree. Yeah, looks like this one is getting very old. Yeah, so it's dangerous. And also this one. Yeah, looks like it's really getting old. Yeah, but it has a son, and it's going to replace the place of the father. So yeah, we're going to Nelson Bay in the town center for the good internet connection, good signal. And we are now here at the Nelson Bay Marina. There is actually a weekend market. Yeah. I just ate. I'm still full. I'm tempted to get a cup of coffee, but you know, coffee is like a meal for me, so maybe not. Yeah, we're just going to browse, look at the different products they have. Not going to eat. If I'm going to buy something, it is going to be a cup. But yeah, no one sells cup today. It was actually a little bit difficult to find the car park. Yeah, I made 3 rounds before I was able to get a space for the car. Look at this. All the garbage bin, it's full. Still a lot of people over the other side. And this playground, water playground, is still open. Nice. And some kids over that side, they're fishing. Okay, that's it. Yeah, we're going to the grocery. We're going to buy water, sparkling water. You know, I posted a video, a short, about people, the driver. They are giving way to the people in the pedestrian. Yeah, some Australian, they are commenting that yeah, they are not giving way to the pedestrian in some places. Yeah, I never experienced that. All the drivers, they always give way. I mean, if there is someone who is not giving way, yeah, I noticed that they are yeah, those someone like me. I think maybe like a new driver and Asian. That's what I noticed. Yeah, because myself also there are some instances that I don't give way to the pedestrian because yeah, the situation is already yeah, complicated that I need to go to already. I need to go through already, then give way. Yeah, it happens sometimes. You know, this corner, they are actually selling these plants when they are open. Yeah, actually a lot of plants in here and they are selling it. There is a new construction here. Yeah, it's Angelina apartment. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, we are here at Nelson Bay car park. Yeah, in Albura, Marina to be exact. And yeah, I just came from work. I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. Yeah, very busy. Breakfast is busy, lunch is busy, and I actually did not able to prepare a lot. I mean, I did not able to prepare right for tomorrow breakfast. So it means that I am going to be running again tomorrow. Yeah, but I will manage. And you know, the good thing is that some of the waitress, they are actually helping me. Instead of me putting the things on the bowl for them to bring outside, yeah, they do that for me. They are taking it from the container, transfer to the bowl, and then put outside. Yeah, like those carrots, apple, celery. Yeah, those things. Oranges. The moment I'm separating the colored and white. Divina said there is a new laundry shop in Anna Bay. Yeah, next time I'm going to try that one. I actually already turned going to that side, going to Anna Bay, but I said no, not today. Not today because yeah, maybe Inigo is going to ask me to go somewhere to eat. Yeah, because yesterday he wants to eat. At the moment, I'm actually the only one who is using the yeah, these machines. And yeah, it's still very busy here in the Bay Area, but I did not have difficulties to find parking. There was 3 empty space over there. And what I'm going to do is to eat now. Look at this. These are 2 Volkswagen Transporter. Actually, maybe the other one is multi-van, Volkswagen multi-van. Oh, the other one looks shorter. Okay, let's go first over there to see the Marina. Let's see how many people are there. Next time that I am going to buy a van, yeah, high like this. Yeah, so that I can stand inside. Will be comfortable.
Ano sasakyan mo?
Diba?
Saan ka nakapark?
Nandiyan sa
Kakarating mo
likod.
lang ngayon? Ngayon ka lang mag-ano?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So yeah, this is how it is here. Lots of people here. Yeah. I just saw Christopher, and the family. Yeah, Christopher actually is my colleague. We both work in yeah, in Armani Hotel in Dubai. Yeah, he's one of the Filipino that come here from Dubai to Australia. Yeah, we work in the same company in Dubai. And because it's very busy, yeah, lots of garbage. Yeah, I'm going to eat now. I don't want to rely to Inigo. Yeah, because Inigo has no definite time. And look at this Volkswagen Transporter. I'm not sure, maybe this is not Volkswagen Transporter, maybe this is the Volkswagen multi-van. Yeah, the handle opener, it's color white, all white actually. Because you know this one, the bumper is black, that one is white. I'm using this plate but not to eat here, but just to put this one and then the rice. This corned beef, it's not corned beef but it looks like a arroz a la cubana. Oh yeah, I was talking about Christopher. Yeah, Christopher, he works before in in my company in Armani Hotel, but he also works in At the Top. At the Top is the highest restaurant in the world. Yeah, it is located in Burj Khalifa at the 124th floor. Yeah. Until now, it is the highest restaurant in the world, if I am not mistaken. The Volkswagen is leaving now. You see the bumper, the hood, like that? Yeah, it's white. Now I don't know which car is coming. Yeah, they will see me, I'm eating here. Oh, I need to go to the washing machine. Yeah, I'm back here. And you know, in the laundry shop, there is two machines now working for washing. Yeah, and I finished this. Okay, and so I have nothing to wash, and this one is clean. There is just the moist of the heat. It is hot here inside. Even if I open the window out, yeah, the front window, even this door is open, it's hot because the wind is actually coming from this direction. And I just received a message from Inigo. Yeah, he wants to go picnic. Okay, I don't want to stay inside the van, it's very hot. Yeah, let's go in front of the water. Oh, actually I'm going to buy ice cream, salted caramel. Now that I'm having this, I feel like I should take a coffee instead of this, but yeah, I already have this. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. I got this gift. Inigo gave this to me yesterday because we had a picnic, but yeah, I forgot to record a video. So basically, Inigo has a guest. They are a couple coming from Sydney. Yeah, like a colleague of Inigo when he was working in the Philippines. They are also here now in Sydney. Yeah, and before we left, Inigo gave this to me. This is coming from Earl and Ariana. Yeah, I have no clue. Yeah, maybe I have no idea. Maybe a bug. I don't know, not a backpack, not a bag, or what is this? Yeah, look at this. Yeah, I will let you see it first. I don't know if you can see. What is this? No idea. Yeah, no idea. Okay, let's see. Okay, at least maybe something for camping. I actually have no idea also if it is something for camping or Something for cooking, not something for cooking. Not looking yet. Now I know. Yeah, I have no clue. Yeah. So basically, this is a waterproof bag. Yeah, dry sock. It says dry sock. If you remember before, when I did my bike packing, when I ride my bike from here all the way to Brisbane, yeah, I have something like this where I put all my gadgets to make it waterproof. Yeah, this is the same. Oh, this one is actually very big. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, thank you, Earl and Ariana.